How to use on delay timer and off delay timer in PLC ladder programming using delta-pleft. Click File and select New. Give program title and PLC model. Delay on timer. Click No Contact and select Input XO. Click Application Instruction. Select Timer TO and Time K. Click No Contact and select Input TO. Click Output Coil and select Output YO. Click Simulation and test the program. This timer is used as time on delay. Output YO is on after timer, TO energies in given time. Now for delay, off timer. Click No Contact and select Input X1. Click Output Coil and select Y1. Click No Contact and select Input YO. Make Y1 latch with X1. Click No Contact and select Y1. Click Application Instruction. Select Timer T1. Click NC Contact and select T1. Click NC Contact and select X1. Click Simulation, Write Program. Click Ladder Online. Click Run. On input X1 output Y1. Off the X1, but Y1 will not off. YO off after off delay timer. Subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.